Good morning, each and everyone. So today our topic is charts. So today in this video we are gonna learn about the basics of the charts. What is a chart? Chart is a pictorial representation of a data. As you can see in the picture, there is a chart that is showing you the relationship between the product and price, and you can easily compare the product of prices here. You can easily compare the price of the products here. How? You can see here, first product is at the highest level, means it is the most costly product in the list. So laptop has the highest cost. In this next time in the chart we can easily see that which product has the lowest price. At the 11th number, last product has the, from that chart we can easily see that the last product has the lowest price, and its name is, we can see in the list, its name is printer. So this printer has the lowest ratio. So by watching this chart we can easily analyze the data, we can easily compare between the datas. So chart, what is a chart? It is a pictorial representation of the data. It is a pictorial representation of the data. It is used to compare and analyze the data. So now we are going to discuss about the components of the chart. While making the chart, there are many components that helps us to recognize about the various dimensions of the chart. As you can see, it is also a chart, and in that figure, just wait, in that figure you can see that there is one big box, that is some big box, and in the big box here you have the chart. So here we have two components, chart area and the plot area. What is the chart area? This big box where all the components of the charts are enclosed, that area is known as the chart area. But where your actual chart, in that box only, there is your actual chart, and this area is known as plot area. This area is known as plot area. And you can also say that lines are known as chart walls. That lines are known as chart walls, that are used to differentiate one component from the another. And the third thing is chart title. Here you can see that we have written the title of the chart, that is equipment rental summer to autumn. Okay, so that is known as the title of the chart, from where we will know that on what purpose chart we have made the chart. Next is legends. What do you mean by legends? See, in that legends it is going to give you the color, and after giving the color it is going to give you the category name. So red color depicts about the boats. Red color line, it is telling you about the boats. How you will come to know? By watching the legends. Yellow color line, it is telling you about the motors. And blue color line, it is telling you about the canoes. So that legend will tell you that which line representing which thing. It we can know with the help of the legends only. Okay, now next, that is a very basic component of the chart, x-axis and y-axis. That is x-axis. X-axis is a horizontal axis, and it is going to tell you about the categories on the chart. Like I am gonna here what is here in that chart, I am telling you about the January month, after that February, March, April, May and June. So this horizontal line going to tell you about the values, about the categories, and this vertical line, it is telling you about the values. By watching these values we can calculate the value here. So here what you can see, this line, this thing, it is telling you about 40 value. So in my month we have given 40 watt motors on the rent. So this is the components of the chart. We are gonna revise it again. X-axis, x-axis means horizontal axis. It is going to tell you about the categories. Y-axis, it is going to tell you about the values. Legends, it helps you to know about the chart. Like it helps you to recognize the values in the chart about what we have drawn the lines. Chart wall, it is the area that able you to differentiate the actual chart from the other parts. And chart area, it is the total area where all the components of the charts are enclosed. And plot area, where we have made the chart. Plot area is the area where that contains the actual chart. So in this video we have done what is a chart, what are the components of the chart. Now we are going to learn about how to insert a chart. Wait once. So here we have the data where we have written the product and its corresponding price, and we want to insert the chart. In the next video we will analyze the data of the chart, but in this video just we will learn how to insert a chart. So how to insert a chart? You have to select all the data that you have written. Your data should be in the tabular form, means your data should be in the form of a table. And after that you have to go to the insert menu on your laptop, on your like mobile phone. From where you are inserting, you will go to the insert menu, and you can see here there is an option of chart, and it is going to give you many types of the charts. We will discuss about it later in the next video. And now here we are going to select the column chart. So from here you can select in the column chart which category you want to select. We are just going to select the simple one, and we have inserted the chart. Here you can see from this data you can easily recognize the price of any product. On the 7th number, that product is of 40,000 and its name is laptop. And you can see that I am watching the chart again and again. I am watching the table again and again because I have inserted this in the mobile phone only. We will discuss about the further changes in that chart in the next video also, and we are gonna discuss about the types of the charts. If you are having any kind of problem, then you can ask me in the comment box. And if you have understood this lecture, then also please write in the comment box to motivate our team. And if you like this, if you understand the concept, then please like the video and subscribe my channel to get the notification later of the same kind of videos. Thank you.